Hello everyone. For today's presentation, I will be talking about the emerging technology I admire and the exploration I have done in this module. First of all, I tend to discuss the design ideas and the techniques of the designer of the moment. I like Heidi Kim's designs. The picture on the right is a white page she designed. She says, I think there is no limit to putting meaning in letters. Heidi Kim is a critic who revels in being rebellious by refusing to restrict herself to any specific brand of design. She instead loves blending tastes and crossing boundaries throughout her eclectic practice. The second designer I would like to discuss is Vlad Belko, whose work is shown on the right. A sense of experimentation, playfulness, and dynamism is sewn into the fabric of Vlad Belko's work. For Vlad, that tapestry is reliant on a love for bizarre typography, naive but firm layouts, surprising color combinations, and unusual visuals, and while Vlad's practice is an outing pot of motion design, 3D creative coding, sound design, and the traces of analog manipulation. The Belgian-based designer has been primarily focused on the concept of what he calls upcycled visuals. Vlad tells us how repurposing old ideas has let him approach design with a new dynamism. Here are some of the current design styles that interest me. Digital lo-fi. In an age of digital perfection, this style draws on early visual language to create a sense of digital nostalgia. Symbol cluster, sign or symbols organized into decorative clusters, is based on typography to express words, shapes, symbols. I'm also interested in the software touch designer, and on the right are some of the works made with it. Touch Designer is a prompt-based visual programming language used by many artists and creative coders. It is usually used for sound visualization. It generally consists of flowing graphics combined with musical variations, which can give the audience a richer sensory experience. What follows is a study of experiments done by other designers based on the direction of my project. This is about the performance of resilience. The creator tries to understand experimentally how elastic media exhibit extreme stretching coefficients on a numerical level. The influence variable for generation, wavelength, with amplitude. As you can see, the main object of her design is the GPU material, which is also known as the headband. Now it's about my project and the technical explorations for my project. I wanted to express the theme of happiness and well-being through the movement of branches. The image showed the resilience of life through the twisting and the turning of branches and pre-imposition of thin lines forming a moving wind. The graph on the right shows the results of my attempts at the stage. I used AE and AI techniques. In AI, I replaced the lines of the tree branches with lighter symbols. In AE, I used mainly Bezier curves and turbulence substitution to achieve the swaying of the branches. Next, I plan to learn text designer, using new techniques to recreate images and combine them with music. Now that's all I have to say about today's presentation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.